Are you type 2 diabetic and your skin looks like this? You need to watch this video. Hey, I'm C Herbalist and Health Coach. This is Versicolor. High blood sugar equals more sugar on your skin, and therefore yeast and fungus thrive. Now, versicolor is a fungal infection in the skin. It's caused by a certain type of yeast. It's not contagious, but it can cause discoloration and itching. So let's look at what's causing the issue so we know what to stop or lessen. First, we're going to look at eating foods that create the yeasty environment. In other words, foods that cause high glucose are typically going to be those foods that cause the fungus. So we're talking about sugary foods, refined carbs, saturated fats like baked goods, fast foods, ultra processed foods. It also could be from overuse of antibiotics too. All right, so let's look at some solutions. Now, of course, the best way to heal is from the inside out, but I will also mention some creams, lotions, salves, and oils and things like that you could put on your skin as well. But one of the first things I want to look at is foods. This is most likely part of the issue. So we're going to start replacing these sugary, high carb foods with foods that are rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, and foods like garlic, onions, fennel, cloves, cinnamon, fiber-rich foods as well. Another thing to do is whatever your first meal is, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or like I said, whatever it is, we want to try to get protein and leafy greens. Think also arugula, kale, broccoli at the top of the list. So with the leafy greens and the protein helping you get satisfied, the leafy greens supplying fiber that you need as well, and some other key minerals that are needed for us to thrive and to live. Other things you want to consider are herbs: neem, paw d'arco, medina, clove, black walnut, possibly like wormwood, and there's many others as well, nettle, cleavers. But those are herbs that I would definitely use as part of my protocol. Other things you want to consider is probiotic-rich foods. So your fermented foods, also consider probiotics. And so on the screen, you'll see the strains that are best. And then when it comes to the oils, creams, and lotions and so forth, if you're going to make it or buy it over the counter, you want to include or find something that includes like tea tree oil, lavender oil, neem, aloe vera, apple cider vinegar. So those are some of the ingredients to look for if you're going to purchase or make your own cream or salve. And the other thing is sweating. So from exercise or from the sauna, this is not contagious. However, you do want to take a shower as soon as you can when you're done your workout or done sweating. But that's another way to try to get the fungus out. And you also want to make sure you wear breathable fabrics. None of this clothing that's really tight on your skin, and try to wear cotton. Things are just breathable and free flowing. So these are some natural solutions to help you with this type of fungus. I would definitely try to do more than just one or two things. So what are you eating, or is it some type of medication you're taking that's causing this? And have a conversation with your doctor if it's medication. But what you're eating, you want to just start incorporating things that will help and thus reduce those things that are hurting. Then you want to look at some of these other solutions that I mentioned. Thank you for watching and take care.